So I'm about to do this unboxing, and I'm just gonna tell y'all what it is. It's one of them collapsible shopping carts, so we gonna see. It's actually heavy. Y'all, I got the thing. Comes with two. This thing kind of heavy. Comes with the wheels. You gotta pop them into place. So 2 big wheels, 2 small wheels. All right, let's see what I gotta do. Maybe push the button. Oh, that was easy. Okay. Well, let me take the wheels off first. Oh, this is nice. Shoot, the wheels is heavy by itself. Them heavy duty right there. So I'm gonna push the button, do that, and lean it back. Oh, well, I still need the wheels. The big wheels go on the back, close to the handle. Pop it up, so that way I know what side is what. Press the button first, then push the casters into the corresponding holes at the bottom of the platform. Okay, well, that was easy. Okay, there we go. Had to wiggle that thing. There we go. Okay, so this is standing straight up. Now, you push that button, and it leans back so that you can actually push it, okay? Some of these come with like a stick, and you put the stick right there, but this one comes with like a whole bar, and it's back here on the back. You see that big wire? Boom. And you're gonna bring it to the front. It's gonna sit underneath there, so if you put anything heavy, it's gonna be some support. Now we got basket 1. Basket 2. Oh, this is so cute. Y'all, now I can just be shopping. Hey, okay, wait. Let me go get this. Boom. Now I'm out clothes shopping. Oh, this is a cute dress too. And I like that the top one is back a little bit so that I can easily put stuff down here. Like it's a big enough gap right here to put everything that I need to. So let's just say I'm doing some shopping. Let's say I got this basket. Boom. It actually fits. Like the whole thing just fits right in there. Oh, look at that. It's my name. I'm gonna put that down there too because it's a little bit big. So I'm gonna move that over there. I can put it to the side like that if I want. Then I got my stuff down there at the bottom. Boom. So nice. Okay. Boom. You're done. La 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 la. Right? How cute. And the front has, the top row has this like bungee cord right here. And you bring it up top and you put it right here so that the basket stays in place. So the top row has one in the front and it has one back here. The bottom row does not have it, but you want to make sure that you're using this wire and putting it in place so that if you're putting heavy stuff in here, it will be extra sturdy and it won't, like, you know, be weighed down. Look at the wheels, y'all. It's so cute. Just imagine shopping with this little cart. It's so cute. Honestly, I knew that I would like it, but the pink, I really like this, and it's super smooth. So yeah, them buggies at the store, trash. You go to your car, pick the basket up, put it in your trunk. Boom. Okay, you're gonna pick up this next basket. Oh, I got this little bar right there. Pick up the next basket. Boom. Inside your car, you can stack them like this. Then let's break it down. Boom, boom. Put that down. Let's come over here. Oh, I forgot to mention the brake. It has a brake. Okay, but now you just push the button up here, right there. Fold it down. Boom. Pick it up. Put it in your trunk. And then you can sit the baskets. If it's too heavy, you could just put the baskets right on top like that and drive home. So this is nice.